Good morning students. This is class 7, subject reasoning, lecture number 6. Today in this lecture we will do some questions based on the topics coding and decoding. Now see first question of this. It is, in a certain language, Madras, M-A-D-R-A-S, is coded as N-D-E-S-B-T. Okay, in certain language, this word Madras is coded as N-D-E-S-B-T. How Delhi is coded in that language? Now you have to tell how Delhi we will write down in this language. For see, first of all, we have written A to Z alphabet here. Okay. Now see, in place of M, the first letter of Madras is M. So in place of M, in place of this M, we have written here N. Now see the relation between M and N. M is next to N. Now in place of A in Madras, we have written B. So B is also next to A. In place of D here, in place of this D, we have written here E. Now see, E is also next to D. So what pattern we have seen here, that in the spelling of Madras, it is coded as one letter ahead. Okay, so when we have to write down coded in the Delhi in the same code, how we will write down? D. In place of D, we will write down next letter of D, that is E. Okay, so what we will write down? We will write down E. After that, E is there. So see what is next to E? After E here it is F. So we will write down then F. Then L. See what will come after L? After L, M will come. So we will write down M. Then H. So after H, I will come. And after I, what will come? J. So our answer is E, F, M, I, J. So this B is our right answer. Understood? In this way we will do these questions. Again I am explaining this. How we have done this? We have done this by writing the next letter which is given to us. Okay. The letter which is given to us, next letter we have taken. Now see next question. If Rajesh is written as 1, 2, 3, 8, 5, 7 and Madan as 4, 2, 6, 2, 9, how Hammam is written? How we will write down Hammam, H-A-M-A-M. Now see, for R, what is written for R? For R, we have written 1. For A, which number is written for A? For A, it is written 2. For J, For J it is written 3. In the same way, for E it is written 8, for S 5 and for 7 H. Same in here. For M 4, for A 2. Here also A is 2 and in this also A is 2. D 6, A again 2 and 9. Now in the same way you have to write down the number for Hammam. For H. Now see what is the number for H. H here is the last letter. So here the last number is 7. So for Hammam we will write down 7. These are the two numbers for 7. Now A. A is 2. Here we have written. So second is 2. Okay, here also 2, here also 2. Then M. For M it is first letter of Madan M, and here first is M is 4. So it is 7 to 4. That means this is the correct answer. See one more question. If 1315225 stands for move, then 57312 stands for. Okay, it is given that 1315225 stands for move, then 57312 stands for. For this also there is one hint. How you will do? Write down counting and below that alphabet for every counting. That means A as a 1, B 2, C 3, 4D, 5E, 6F, 7G, 8H, 9I, 10J, 11K, like this. Okay. So here I have written all the alphabets with counting respectively. Now see. First is here M. See, the number for M is 13. So here they have written 13. Now next is O. See, the number for O is 15. So here also they have written for O 15. Then for V it is, where is V? Here. V is 22. So we have also written here 22. Now E is 5. So here they have written 5. So these are the numbers for each of the alphabet. In the same way you will find out for 5, 7, 3, 1, 2. What is the alphabet for 5? Alphabet for 5 is E. Okay, these two are for E. Then 7. What is the alphabet for 7? 7G. That means this is the correct answer. You can check it completely. See fourth question. Okay. Now there is a solution of assignment 4 that I have given you to find out odd one out. First is cloud, lake, snow, stream, sky. Its answer is sky. This is odd one out because all are the forms of water but sky does not. Second is Venus, Mars, Saturn, Sun, Jupiter. All are the planets except Sun. So Sun is the odd one out. Third one, flower, stem, root, bud, leaves. See, flower is above the ground, stem is also above the ground, root is below the ground, bud is also above the ground, leaf is also above the ground. So root is the odd one out. Fourth is cup, glass, mug, pottery, beaker. All the things, cup, glass, mug, beaker, all are used to contain things, but pottery not. Fifth was wheel, rope, chain, idea, bus. All are the things except idea. It is a state in which we think, and all other are the things. Sixth, write, imagine, think, meditate, dream. Here is write, because imagine, think, meditate and dream, all we are the same, one and the same thing. Seventh is sign, cough, talk, sniff, gasp. Here is the talk. All are the words of breathing. Just see the meaning of gasp and sign from the dictionary, and sniff if you don't know. They are the forms of breathing. But talk means that we are talking with each other. Eighth is sick, weave, wool, wrap, vest. See, all are starting from W except sick. It is started from S. So it is odd out. Ninth is cooler, feel, dream, looked, beer. Now in this see, here is double vowel, double vowel, double vowel, double vowel. But in dream it is repetition is not there, means one vowel coming twice, but here is not. So dream is the odd one out. 10th is cabin, chamber, room, veranda, bedroom. All are covered by roof. Cabin, chamber, room and bedroom. But veranda not. Okay. It is an open one. Boundary is also not there. 11th, walk, drive, ride, sail, fly. In this, for drive also, for ride also, for sail and for fly, we need some object. Okay, one or the other vehicle. But for walk, we need only our legs. No vehicle is required. 12. Bangles, earrings, jewelry, necklace, rings. All are the forms of jewelry, parts of jewelry, and jewelry is odd one out. Thirteenth, physics, chemistry, economics, zoology, botany. See, physics, chemistry, zoology, botany, these all are the parts of science. Okay, branches of science. But economics is a branch of social studies. 14th is vegetables, brinjal, ladyfinger, potato, spinach. All are the vegetables, and vegetable is odd one out. They are the names of vegetables. So vegetable is odd one out. Trouser, shirt, coat, garment, frock. These all are garments. Trouser, shirt, coat and frock. So garment is the odd one out. Okay. So this is the solution of the assignment. Previous assignment. Now your homework is to do assignment number 5 that I will upload on AdQuark. Thank you.